This is awesome.
Talk about it. I just remember all those times you didn't listen to me, and now it's finally payback.
Yep. Whoa. You can't put a mask on.
Why not?
That's
Because it's called
cheating.
pie in the face.
Is it in the rules? I don't see it in the rules that I can't wear this.
Okay.
You don't
I'll
have to
actually
boss
read
about
it.
Well, it's not in the rules, is it?
Well, look at this.
It's called pie in the face, so...
All right.
Okay, wait, look at this. Aren't you too much of a wimp? You can't take it, Kyan?
I can take it. I don't need to wear these. That's fine. Just give me a second.
Oh,
Okay.
we already watched for my
Okay, give me a minute. Okay, fine. I won't use the goggles. I can handle it. I'm tough. Oh my God!
Payback.
Oh!
Payback. Sweet revenge.
Oh! It tastes good though. It's pretty good.
Oh, best part. Get my hair! Got my hair!
Oh, I shouldn't have worn. Why do I have to always wear makeup? Oh!
Because I tell you to, so I look nice.
James, you know where Kai and Caleb are? They should be helping us right now. They want to play in the leaves. Do all the work. Kyan! Caleb! Come outside! You can get $5 for helping us!
Are you calling for me?
Yes!
What, mommy?
Help
What,
us play
James?
the leaves and you can get $10!
$10?
Yeah!
I know, but I don't feel really good. I think I have a cold or something.
Really?
How about $15?
Oh, let me feel your hand. I'm only getting 10. It's a lot, okay? It's a lot
I don't
between
feel really
leaves.
well.
You're not even heavy. Like, you know, catch one.
What? All these leaves? There's so many leaves, though.
Yeah, we're gonna help you.
You did all that? That's a lot.
And your brother's gonna come out and help us too. Better.
Caleb's gonna come out and help?
Yep.
Okay, I'll go get Caleb, okay?
Okay.
All right. I think he's actually outside in the front. All right, let's go see.
Caleb, you have to help us with the leaves to get $10.
$10?
Yeah.
But
You have to put that stuff away if you want to help. No. You get it for your $10. You're the fastest person in your class. Of course you can do it.
like $10 is hardly any money these days. I can get like a couple of warheads for $10. That's it.
No. You can get a big bag of warheads for like only $5.
Yo, I think I totally can jump in these.
No.
Yeah.
You have to clean that. No.
Oh, I shouldn't have done that with body.
I told you not.
It's easier when you're lighter.
Clean this up. Clean it up.
Work. That's all we ever do. We haven't gone anywhere since we swapped bodies. Like nowhere fun.
But you're gonna go to the corn maze in the morning.
Yeah! Well, is that the place with the pumpkin shooter and everything? Whoa! This thing seems really inefficient compared to the rig.
There's a switch on it.
Oh,
No.
I knew that.
No.
Well, if they don't want me to help because I can't do good enough, I might as well just play volleyball. Can we have a leaf fight? James, Mommy, can we please throw leaves at each other?
So basically it's spreading leaves all over the place again?
Please, Mommy.
It's kind of waste.
You really want to?
Please.
You're gonna need to help clean it all up.
I'll help clean it up.
Caleb better help too.
This
Where is he?
it could rain tomorrow and then the leaves will be wet and we won't be able to play with them. Can you just please play with them? Please, please, please.
Look at this mess. Nobody even helps me clean up anything. I do it all by myself. Jeez! That's one fun thing about being smaller. You can fit in bags. Yeah, cool. And you want to know what's also good? Your hands can fit in the bag so you can put the leaves in there because you're going to be cleaning all this up. You know what, James? It's still not a lot of fun. What's that? Oh, look, you ripped the bag. Now you're going to go to the Home Depot and get new ones. You want that?
Mommy, why are you being so mean to James? Why are you being so mean to him? Are you guys fighting or something? These are wet!
Oh, that was so good. Watch this. Watch this. Stop. Yes. Oh.
These leaves are getting caught in my hair, in this hair. Oh.
Yeah, cry baby.
I want the hat.
Hey. Mom! Took my hat! No fair! Not playing with you anymore.
You're dead meat now, Caleb.
I'm not even playing anymore. Stop it!
What's wrong, you crybaby?
Took my hat and everything.
Let's go, Caleb. Oh, God. I'm gonna need a shower.
Round one. Me versus your mother. Oh no! Yes! No, you didn't!
Mommy, put the hood up on my jacket. Put the hood up, Mommy. There.
Round two, me versus James.
Okay, now the two losers, Caleb versus Melly.
Oh.
Caleb, your mother's always beating you, and she needs a smaller body. You need me. Okay? We'll go like that. Go, bad boy.
You know what? The hood is cheating.
Caleb, remember the time where we did pie in the face Santa? Yeah. Let's do the leaves at Mommy. No.
This is awesome. Maybe when anybody's in kids' bodies, even adults, they still want to just wrestle because it's so much fun and they're just like small and can move fast and everything. And nothing seems to get sore or broken.
All right, well, this is really fun. So I'm gonna rake up some of these leaves because I didn't really help at the beginning and I feel bad. Okay, Mommy? Okay, James? All right, I'm gonna go rake these leaves up over here and bring them up here so we can do a couple more rounds. This raking is such hard work. Oh. No wonder grown-ups hate doing it. I think I have a blister. Where did James and Mommy go? Where did they? James! Mommy! Oh! What are you doing in there? Oh my God. All right, let's go. Final round. Oh! Oh my God! Huh? Where's my hat? Caleb took my hat. I'm going to take my I need my hat.
Don't do that!
Okay. All right. Are you okay, Mommy?
Get Jim!
Okay, I just ate that leaf. I know it. Oh! Ow! Okay, I'm done. I give up. The grown-ups win. I'm done.
You guys started the whole thing!
Presenting Game